on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, by the way. Today we got the most amazing Southern style catfish sliders. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get you some coleslaw mix, some red wine vinegar, some yellow mustard, mayo of your choice. I'm using Duke's mayo, but you can use whatever you like, and some granulated sugar, and we're gonna make our Southern style coleslaw. So the first thing you wanna do is work on your coleslaw dressing, and I went in with some mayo, and I went in with 3 spoonfuls of mayo, followed by how much mustard I wanted to add in here. I like my slaw to kind of have a yellow tint. Then I went in with some granulated sugar. Didn't really measure this out. Pretty much preference how you like your coleslaw. And then you got to add some acid. So I went on with some red wine vinegar. And then I went ahead and stirred it up. And that is our coleslaw dressing. Like I said, with this here, you pretty much make the choice on how you like it. You see I use a lot of great value products because I'm trying to get that deal by Walmart. Hopefully they're watching this channel so I can get that deal. But yeah, once you get your coleslaw dressing, go ahead and add it to your slaw mix. And I did add a little more sugar to that slaw mix because I like my coleslaw extra sweet, because the sweet mixed with the hot sauce and the mustard, it's like flavor heaven. So go ahead and get your coleslaw mixed up, and it looked like you got less dressing than coleslaw mix, but that is perfectly fine because that coleslaw mix or that coleslaw dressing is going to make that coleslaw macerate, and it's going to be the perfect consistency. So get that all mixed up and then pop that in the fridge and let it chill out for about 30 minutes or so, or until you get your catfish ready. All right, then we got some catfish nuggets. And that's just simply catfish nuggets from Walmart, actually. And then I got some fish fry mix. You can make your own, but this stuff is pretty cheap, and you don't have to worry about making your own. And that is the lemon pepper fish fry mix. So you don't actually have to season your fish because this fish fry mix is very salty, or it has a lot of salt in there. So you don't have to worry about seasoning your fish. But once you get that all mixed up, go ahead and batter it all and then pop it to the side and let it rest for about 5 minutes. And then you're gonna pop that in your fryer at 350 degrees and fry them until they're golden brown. All right, and that fries probably about 4 to 5 minutes. It don't take long because these are really small catfish nuggets, but you'll see it when it gets to that perfect brown doneness color. All right, now you get your sliders ready, and I'm using some Hawaiian rolls. You can use any kind of sliders you like, but the Hawaiian rolls are kind of a little sweet. Just gonna take these sliders up a notch. Then you go ahead and pop your catfish onto these slider rolls, and I did go on with some yellow mustard at the bottom. If you know anything about the Southern style fish sandwich or Chattanooga fish sandwich, you add that coleslaw, that mustard, and that hot sauce. So those are the 3 items you'll need. So you see I put the mustard at the bottom, then I went on with some Louisiana hot sauce. And Louisiana hot sauce is the only hot sauce that goes on the fish sandwich. Don't argue with me, argue with you. Well, it's the first of the year, so we ain't going there. But yeah, Louisiana hot sauce, the only hot sauce going on the fish sandwich. All right, then we'll pop your coleslaw onto this fish sandwich there, and then go ahead and drop the top on the sliders and pick them up. And there you have it, man. The most amazing Southern style catfish sliders from the Bistro. I wanted to do some kind of fun video for you guys, especially with it being first of the year. Shout out to everybody that made it to the new year, 2023. This is going to be an incredible year. Shout out to everybody who's been rocking with the Bistro since day one. This is our 3rd year. We're approaching 3 years of the Bistro cooking show, and it's been a phenomenal journey. And I just want to thank you guys for embarking with me on this journey and continue to stay with me on this journey. This year we got a lot of stuff in store. We about to go ahead and begin to blossom more into our calling. So yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. Like I said, Happy New Year, first of the year. Health is wealth. Let's prosper and get to that next level, man. 2023 is going to be an incredible year. But yeah, man, thank you guys for checking this video out. Southern style catfish sliders from the Bistro. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. I'm out.